Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to search for certain words in Word. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search certain words in Word. So this is very helpful if you have a very long text right here. For example, you have very long text here and you don't want to manually find it on your own. This video is for you. To make it more easier, just click home. Once you're at home, just click right here to find. After clicking on find, type in what the word you want. For example, duck. As you can see, there's a lot of duck. And you can choose which duck you want to go to. Duck. Or maybe this duck. Or maybe this duck. Then change it. And you can change that duck right there. Let's make it a duck too. See? So there you go, guys. It also shows you which page is it and the headings. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a little bit of bonus tip for you guys. If you know which word that you want to replace it with, or to change it, delete it, you can just click replace right here. After clicking on replace, type in the word, then type in duck. Okay, find next. Document. Let's go. Type in duck. Find what duck. Okay, find duck. As you see, there's a duck right there. You pick it, replace it with a duck. And replace duck. Or you can replace all ducks with talk. Talk. There you go. It's all talk, 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 talk. Then yes. Then yes. There you go. There you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.